part 2 of fixing up the BMW 428i Coupe. I just got the car back from the panel beaters guys, so when I stop at the dealership I'll show you guys the car and show you what it looks like now. It looks phenomenal. Then I'll tell you quickly exactly what we still need to do before the car is completely finished. Oh, but it feels like a brand new car driving now. Just excuse the skewness of my what do you call it, my camera. I didn't bring anything with me, but yeah guys, I'm so excited to actually drive this car. And what is that now? It's just dirty. Okay, I was gonna say that looks odd. Let me explain the drive. I mean guys, it's a 2013. Obviously it's got 143, let's call it 144,000 Ks, but honestly doesn't feel like it. It still feels like, I mean, I remember when I started at BMW, I started with these cars, and it still feels like a 428 BMW should. Everything feels the same. We've done quite a few things like the timing chain and all of that, the stuff that usually give problems. We sorted all of that out. But guys, it is really a phenomenal car. Like, it feels like a BM, a proper BM. I like the fact with the light steering, when I put it in sport, then it's a stiffer steering. It's just such a nice car to drive, and it's sporty guys. Like, you must see it. The wing, obviously they just stuck the wing back for me, or glued the wing back for me on the back, so it still has the stickers on it, so just excuse that. You will, at the end of the whole journey, you will see the final touch or the final product when this whole car is sorted out. But yeah guys, I'm very excited for it. Listen to that quickly. There's no rattles. The only rattle I can hear is from this, your little thingy that go, your lock and unlock lock button thingy. It's on the passenger side. I can hear that a little bit, but that I can sort out. I'll see if I can do something there. But with the leather being done, oh, I'm giving the steering wheel in today. I'm going to show you guys just now. Guys, it's such a smooth drive. Like, honestly, like I say, and the spec with the sunroof. See there, I've got my sunroof over here. And the hi-fi loudspeaker, the professional nav, everything just feels amazing in this car. I don't really like the blue. I'm standing at the robots. I don't really like the blue here. It does kind of feel, I don't know, kindergarten to me, but I'm gonna leave it like it is. I mean, I would like to change that at a later stage, but I do love this for the Msport. Yeah, the blue looks better than, no, I don't know, I think the red looks better, but I like the black in general. But yeah, so we're gonna sort this out. I'm gonna show you guys just now. So let's get back to the office, then I jump out of the car. Listen to this quickly guys. Oh yeah, I see the seat. It's got this thing over here for your head. Oh, that's awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the rest of the car when we stop at the dealership. But just no squeaks and rattles. It's just that one rattle there, but no other squeaks or anything like that. It just seems solid, this car, eh? For what's it now, 10 years and 140,000 Ks, and this car is solid. The suspension we've done, I think only in the front, but everything, like, I can't explain how awesome it feels, because it still feels like it felt 10 years ago. Ridiculous. Before I park the car, let me quickly show you guys how neat this car looks now, eh? Check it out from a distance. Just check how neat it looks. It's like a brand spanking new car, guys. Yes. Bumper has been sorted out completely. I'm gonna still sort out the lights, get this I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna make it much more clearer. I'm gonna try and make that a bit more black, you know, so it can actually pop out completely. I love the fact that the bumper is completely sorted now. Just check it out. It looks brand new, guys. Check it out. The only thing I still need to do, I ordered the new kidney grills. It's not going to be the double slats anymore, because this is for the M4. I'm going to do the one single slat, just the normal, but it's still going to be black, so that's going to look good. Check it out, guys. Hey, how stunning does that look? I took the blue off here and I kept the M Performance, and now it actually looks quite neat. It really looks neat. Check here on the inside. I've got the key here with me somewhere. I'll show you on the other door. The key is actually inside the car. There's only one rim that I need to do. I'll show you guys that rim as well. But check the back here. Okay, just excuse this. That is still keeping the glue there, so we'll take that off a little bit later today, guys. But check the bumper at the back. Remember, it had this nasty gaff over here, the bubbling over there. Everything is gone. It is completely gone, and it looks like a brand new car. Just check that shape. I love the shape of this car. The wing is just beautiful. They polished it as well, so they stuck it properly. Hopefully it will never like come off again. But I'm definitely going to keep that wing, because it really looks stylish. I actually kind of like the shape of this car with that wing now. I didn't in the beginning, but now I do love it. Check, so this is what I need to sort out. So I'm going to drive with the green wheel for a bit, but I want to sort that out on the wheel there. I'm going to show you inside what I still need to sort out. So you saw the kidney grill. Check the inside of the door sills. Properly made. It look brand new there. It still needs to go for a valet, guys, so after the valet the car will look a lot different. And then what else I'm going to do is I'm literally going to take off the steering wheel now. I'll show it. I'm not going to take it off, workshop will take it off. Then I'll show you what it looks like in the sun. But yeah, we'll actually show it in the office. You guys can't really see anything there now, but the steering wheel doesn't look that great. Maybe you can see it over here. Let's see there. Maybe you can see it there. It's very like rough. You can see the leather has come off. And then I also decided we're gonna switch that up, but I have to replace this whole unit over here. But we're definitely gonna switch this unit out, and then that's gonna look proper. Then there's no scuff marks or anything on the, what's that? No, that's just dirty scuff marks on the buttons, except for these two, but I'm not going to worry about that because you can't really see them. Check here, guys. Hey, stunning spec. See here, guys, here you can see it on the steering wheel. Doesn't look that nice, eh? We want to get this to proper leather. We've also done this on the door sills, so you'll see like the door. I'll actually show you a picture here of what they used to look like. And then now you can see it's much smoother and brand new. It just looks stunning. It was nasty, guys, like so nasty. I mean, those things stuck to your fingers as like a glue, rubbery glue. It felt like snot. Not great, not a great feeling. But now looks proper. Just check this inside, eh? Just check this inside, guys. How clean is this? This car is really beautiful. I'm so excited to keep on driving this car. I just want to cry. The hood doesn't sound that lucky anymore. It's not a Bmw motor anymore. Listen to this. But I'm going to keep it like that because it's funny. Listen to this. It sounds so soft, so cute. I've been standing here waiting. Hopefully they'll open the gate now. So here is the beautiful BMW steering wheel. Let me quickly show you guys what my issue is here. You can see that I'm very busy. Any case, so you can see on here, let's just let it focus. You see how rough it is there, where it's like a smooth here. You'll check there. I don't know, you can't really see all the scratches, but you can see it's an old steering wheel. You can see it's fading out there. And then obviously when you get to the top, there we go. Thank you, COVID, for all the hand sanitizer. Really makes life a lot easier. Let's check the back. Back actually doesn't look that bad, eh? Doesn't look that bad. But yeah, this is the M steering wheel, guys. Now it's going to get a proper new leather coat or leather wrap around it. Let's check the stitching. Let's see how close they get the stitching and everything to this original spec on the steering wheel. See there's a few damages. So we'll see when it gets back what it looks like. I hope they clean it up a little bit better as well. And then we have a brand new steering wheel.